Hey, welcome back to another video. Today's video we made a custom MOC for this custom minifigure, Lord Zarros. This MOC took a pretty decent amount of time, so you better stick around till the end. Let's get on with the video. Lord Zarros, he was once the king's head knight who would lead many battles for the kingdom, until one day his loyalties were bought by the king's brother, who tricked him into an immortal life if he was to join his side. Unfortunately for him, the king's forces were much stronger, and he was defeated. Hold up, I have to ask you this. Will you like and subscribe? I love making these videos, and I love seeing people enjoy them. So could you hit those two buttons? Well, this is the end. I hope you enjoyed this little MOC video. It was really fun to make. Before you go, please check out Jam Productions. He's the one who gave me the epic story for this character. His channel is linked in the pinned comment below. But that's all. See you later.